friends, welcome back to my channel. Just thought I would turn the camera on today and share with you what I'm up to. It's that time of year that a lot of us have pulled out our fall decor and thinking about what we're going to do. So today I thought I needed to redo my tiered trays. I've mentioned before how much I love decorating with these, and it's so fun to thrift and look for little miniature seasonal things. So the first one I want to share with you is this 3-tiered galvanized one. I have a store local to me that sells a huge amount of Hobby Lobby overstock, and I was able to get this about a year and a half ago for $17. And this normally stays on my coffee bar, but I think I'm going to find a new home for it this season. Now these two wooden tiered trays, if you follow my channel, you've seen these before. One of them was one of my Goodwill challenges and the other one may have been a Trash to Treasure. Not sure which one it was. They're just made out of those wooden puzzle boxes, the Melissa and Doug, the children's puzzles, and then the top part, this one is actually a Dollar Tree picture. A couple of pieces of scrap wood, and then one of my sweet subscribers, Laura, suggested, why don't you put feet on there? And I don't know why I didn't think of it, and I definitely need to do it to this one. It does give it a different look when they're not elevated, but I really love the feet on there. So I'm going to pull these down. I'm going to put all my little fall things out and show you what I've got to work with. I've made quite a few new things this year and just looking forward to decorating with these. All right, what you're looking at here is a collection of things that I have either bought or made in the last month in preparation for my tiered trays. I live real close to a store that sells nothing but Target returns and overstock. And if you live near a dirt cheap and never been in there, then that is what it is. I don't live near a Target. It's hard for me to luck up and get some of those cute things they have in there. And whatever the Target spot is, I get it for half the price the next season. So what this is I picked up a couple pairs of men's buffalo plaid socks. If you follow me on Instagram, you will have saw that I posted the socks. I was able to get 16 pumpkins out of 2 pairs of socks. These are normally $1 a piece at Target. They also at that dirt cheap store sell all the little dollar spot little hanging ornament things. I just took my Cameo and wrote Hello Pumpkin on this, and I believe this is in the dollar spot again this year. So if you live near Target, you can get them. This one was just a little acorn and I wrote Nuts About Fall. I was originally going to do maybe an apple themed tiered tray, but I changed my mind. But this will still be cute sitting on my fall tray. And I just took some black vinyl and wrote hot apple cider. And these were all originally $1 and I got them for 50 cents. So like here's one in the package. Here's some little wooden leaves, and this is what it was. It was originally $3 and I got it for $1.50. Now these are two things that I picked up at Hobby Lobby last week. This little squirrel, they had their stuff for 40% off. These were originally like $3.99, so I got them for about $2.50. This little squirrel with an acorn and this little black crow. I thought he was so cute. I just picked up this little miniature washboard. It's not fall related, of course, but it's just a good filler if I need one. And you'll see when I pull out my other stuff, I have a lot of just generic filler things. I picked up this little cute little sign at Dollar General this year. They had some from last year and I got one for this year. Last year just said Hello Fall, and this year it says Happy Fall, y'all. And a couple more things from Hobby Lobby. 40% off of this $5 bag of cotton bowls. You can either put them on a stick yourself or you can just take the bowl itself and use it as a filler. And then I picked up a pack of these rolling pins. I just haven't done this project yet. My plan was to paint it and write pumpkin pie on one of them, and then like come the spring I can do one and put Happy Easter. You know, I'll have 3 different rolling pins for the different seasons. Those are my new things, and I'm gonna pull out all my old stuff and show you what I've got to work with. All right, what you're looking at here is a collection of fall things that I've had for many years up until the last year and a half or so. But I'm not going to go over everything, just a little overview. But you can definitely see the color difference right here. I would say everything on this left side right here is what I would consider generic filler. You know, you can use them any season in different ways. It's still really popular to use the Ray Dunn because it's not season specific. A lantern, a wood corbel, wood slices, farmhouse beads, the little cupcake stands from Target. Now over here is pretty much self-explanatory. Fall related things. Salt and pepper shakers, leaf cookie cutters, fall ornaments, fall picks, florals, and different things. And I just want to share this with you. This is a little cast iron truck that my mother had my entire life displayed, and I'll never look up and get the Target one with pumpkins. So I thought I would use this and fill it full of the little Big Lot acrylic pumpkin vase filler, and there I have my own little pumpkin truck. So I'm going to work on my 3 trays, and then I'll share with you the end result.